There are two differences in this thing. So I think that whereas I'm very good at saying I'm sorry, it's a skill I've worked on.
Really?
I am very good, but I don't cool down fast. So that's where Max is better at. He is faster to say, let's discuss, let's calmly use our words, maybe more than you're using right now. You know, like because I go colorful and I go hot, heated, and 0 to 60.
Really?
And colorful. That's one way of putting it.
What about with girlfriends, Sarah?
Girlfriends, I never fight with my girlfriends. I fight with my sister, but kind of different, right?
Yes. I held a grudge from a friend for about 7 years, but it's right.
7 years?
I swallowed and said, you know what? I'm going to say hi and I'm sorry for not talking to you for a long time. And I did, and she accepted me back into her life. But I do hold grudges, and it's hard for me to cool down. But like you, I can be like, you shouldn't talk to me right now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna talk. See, I'm not even that good.
Oh, no.
I chase him around. I just follow.
Oh my God.
Oh, no, I don't do that.
No, yeah, all of you know, you would think I would be different, but I don't like confrontation, and so I'm very quick to say, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry, I'm so sorry.
Are you gonna play with the kitty?
I don't want that type of tension.
But you.
But what's always interesting to me with my husband is he holds on to
The bottle of their juice.
And